clothes can tear anywhere.
Oh no.
But bulky machines don't sew on the go, and you gotta spend to get a tailor to mend. Introducing Secure Stitch, the brilliant liquid sewing solution that repairs tears in a flash, mends holes, and hems clothes. Fast, incredible. Just squeeze and mend with ease. And watch this. Secure Stitch is completely waterproof for a super strong bond. Secure Stitch's secret is its micro-mend formula, which weaves together fibers for a microscopic permanent bond. Washer and dryer proof. Secure Stitch comes with an on-the-go applicator, perfect for emergency repairs. Why hem pants with a needle and thread? Mend them faster using Secure Stitch instead. Easily repair torn upholstery. Quick, fix drapes in a flash. Perfect for crafting. Go from ordinary to extraordinary. Secure Stitch.
Hi, I'm Chris, and today I'm going to give you a few quick tips for working with Aleene's Quick Dry Fabric Fusion. Some of us don't know how to sew, and let's be honest, some of us just don't have time to sew. Luckily, Aleene's Fabric Fusion is a great alternative to a needle and thread. And our Quick Dry formula dries 5 times faster for those projects that you need to get done in a hurry. Right now, I'm loving fabric accents on shorts. It's such a cute way to add your own personal style to what you're wearing without requiring a lot of time or effort. And because I'm heading out to the movies in 30 minutes, I want something fun and super fast. Thank you, Quick Dry Fabric Fusion. Quick Dry Fabric Fusion is great for this type of project because it dries clear and permanent, and it won't yellow over time. But what I love most is that it actually remains ultra flexible, even after washing, so your clothes move with you and not against you. When gluing the fabric accents onto your shorts, brush a thin layer of adhesive onto the underside of the lace. Then press it into place on your shorts, using masking tape or sewing pens to hold it in place until it dries. It's really important that you apply Quick Dry Fabric Fusion sparingly. Too much adhesive will oversaturate your fabrics and slow the drying process, which weakens the adhesion. So remember, less is more, whether you're applying it straight from the bottle or brushing it onto your fabrics. Now, once your project is dry, it's ready to wear, and you can wash it in cold water after 24 hours. Aleene's Quick Dry Fabric Fusion helps you have fun with fabrics without having to wait. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time for more tips and techniques.
Hi, I'm Nathan with I Love to Create, and today I'm going to talk to you about Liquid Fusion Clear Urethane Glue, which is one of my go-to glues for just about everything. This all-purpose glue is great for crafting and indoor-outdoor household repairs because of its incredible versatility and the fact that it dries clear and waterproof. Even though Liquid Fusion has incredible holding power on porous surfaces, its formula is non-toxic and non-foaming, so wherever you apply it, it stays. As you can see, unlike the competition, Liquid Fusion doesn't expand when it dries, and it remains crystal clear, so you don't end up ruining your projects and repairs with unsightly residue expanding out of the edges, like you see happening with these other glues. And speaking of repairs, Liquid Fusion can even be used to fill holes and fix caulking. I want to share with you some tips that will come in handy when you're working with Liquid Fusion. First of all, always test for best results. You're going to want to apply an even coat to a clean, dry surface, and then press them together. Let the adhesive dry for 2 to 4 hours, but for a maximum hold, allow 24 hours for the glue to completely cure. And another great feature is the adhesive is easy to clean up with water when it's wet. When applying Liquid Fusion, remember that less is more, so try to refrain from applying too much adhesive to your project, as it can become oversaturated and affect the adhesion properties. Liquid Fusion actually remains repositionable until it dries, making it easy to readjust your project during the process if you need. It works great on porous surfaces like wood, stone, and unglazed ceramics, and small non-porous surfaces like glass or metal. If you're going to be gluing non-porous surfaces together, you can always use a blow dryer to aid in the drying process. I also recommend using clamps or weighted items on top of your glued surfaces while drying for best results. And as strong as it is, Liquid Fusion is gentle enough to use on fabric, and it's permanent and machine washable after it dries. So if you're working on costumes or other fabric projects, there's no need to go out and grab another glue because this one does it all. So remember, no matter how big or small, when your project needs mega muscle, trust Liquid Fusion to get the job done.